In this next module, we will move away from the map view and use the collection page to search images by keyword. To do this, we simply click on the collection button in the header. When you get to the collection page, by default, it shows all the images in our collection. But of course, these are a lot of images, and we want to filter them down to specific things. The easiest way to do this is just to search for a keyword. For example, I might be interested in pictures of Bayfield's beach, so I can simply search beach and click enter, or click this search button right here. Right away, I see that there are about 50 photos or postcards associated with Bayfield's beach, all ordered by date. You can again see front and back views, and you can click on the image to get a larger version. In addition to this basic search, we can use a number of tools on the left-hand side to search the collection by other characteristics. Firstly, we can filter the collection by time. For example, I might be interested in pictures of the beach from 1900 to 1920. So again, I would search beach and click enter. And then I would use the time slider to filter from 1900 to 1920. And you can see we've gone from about 50 results to 14. These results will be on multiple pages, so you can click the next and previous buttons to navigate between those pages. Next, we can search our collection by specific people. We don't have too many of these in the database yet, but there are a few that you can use. One example would be William Bulkwell. When I add his name to the people filter, then it returns all the items associated with William Bulkwell, which in this case is just one. I can also use the people search to search for multiple people. For example, I could add Lucy Woods, and it would still pop up because right now it's searching for William Bulkwell or Lucy Woods. I can change that by switching the or to and now what it's doing is it's searching for items that include both William Bulkwell and Lucy Woods. There are no such items in our collection, so this search returns no results. The next search type is a subject search. This one is quite useful. It works similar to the people search in that you can enter a keyword and add it as one of the options. So for example, there's a subject called beaches, which I can use. And similar to typing beaches up here, I get a number of items associated with beaches. Now, if I'm interested in postcards or photographs that contain both the beach and the harbor, then I can add harbors here. But you'll notice that we went from 47 results to 161 results. And that's because the tool is now searching for items that contain either the beach or the harbor. To fix that, we can change this or to an and you can quickly see that our 161 quickly narrows down to 11 because it's only returning items that feature both the beach and the harbor, as you can see with this item here. You can do this for as many as you want, so I could add river as well, and further narrow it down to just 2 results. If I've added too many, then I can simply click on one of the results here in the subject to remove it, and then go back to just harbor and river. The organization search is similar to the previous two searches, except for the fact that it is only an OR search and does not have AND functionality. For example, if I'm interested in the Bayfield variety store, then I can search for that and get an item associated with it. Now if I'm interested in the Bayfield Historical Society, now it's going to return items associated with either the Bayfield Historical Society or the Bayfield variety store, but not items containing both. The type tool allows us to search by the physical type of the item, and it's simply a drop-down menu. So for example, if I'm interested in only postcards, then I can return only postcards. If I'm interested in only historical events, then I can return only historical events. If I'm interested in only videos, then I can return only videos. The last search tool in the Bayfield Historical Web Map is the collection search. In archives, like the Bayfield Historical Society, groups of items are put into different collections in order to organize them in some way. In the case of our photograph and postcard collection, these items are organized into albums or photo books. Right now, we have items from 4 albums on our site. If we are interested in only items from album 24, we can add that to our search. You'll see now that at the top of our search, it gives me some information about that collection, including a more complete description of the collection. These are the Howard Scotchmer postcards, and it's the second, because if you go to album 23, those are the first. And this collection is a sub-collection, and it's part of the larger photograph and postcard collection of the Bayfield Historical Society. So you can see we can go up and down the hierarchy of collections. And now all the items you see below, whether they be photographs or postcards, are part of album 24. You can use all the different search tools together to further refine your search. For example, I might be interested in only videos that are related to the Bayfield Historical Society. And you can see I quickly filter the hundreds of items on the website down to this one item. I can use different combinations of these 6 search tools, as well as the search term up top, to quickly filter the collection and look for specific items.